Welcome. We're going to be doing another channeling from Pure Heart. How do I look? How are my teeth? Okay. I've been asked by a lot of people to ask Pure Heart about the thought processes and the very famous expression, thoughts become things. You need to be careful with this expression. Not everything in your world is created through thought. Well, not thought as you know it. Pure thought is a creator. But there are many laws that govern spiritual energy, law of alchemy, law of vibration, law of thought forms. And if you jump out of a window, law of gravity. Now, whilst it's a good thing to watch your thoughts, not thoughts of the mind, but thoughts that are connected to the heart, your heart language, that you can think whatever you want. And if it's negative, we encourage you to cancel the thought and replace it with a positive one. But always keep in your mind the fact that your heart is what needs to do your talking and your thinking. Now, to think that thoughts create things 100% of the time is dangerous, because that thought, on the thought process, what do you do when things don't appear to be going the way you planned? For example, I crossed over to this wonderful side when my thought processes were about surviving, my thought processes were about staying on the earth plane, but there is the soul contract. There is the other law that nobody goes before their time. So to say that thoughts create things 100% of the time is a dangerous generalization. It is a good thing to have your thoughts be clear, but you must be connected to your heart. And your heart must be connected to your mind. That mind must be connected to the imagination or the subconscious, which is a direct connection to your spirit. And this is what you need to use in order to create, in order to manifest. Thoughts alone will not do it. Negative thoughts will keep you in a negative space. Positive thoughts will keep you in a positive space while you're dealing with what it is you're trying to manifest. But do not rule out the other laws. And I'm going to throw this law out there to you. The law of alchemy. It was the last thing metaphysically that I journaled before I passed. For mankind and womankind to get what they want, they must give up something of equal value. Interesting law. But it's one of the few laws that we need to be abiding by. It's one of the laws that govern spiritual energy. So take that into consideration when you're looking at thoughts become things, because they do. But it's dangerous to think that that is the only thing that you have on this planet to work with. And whatever is in your soul contract can be changed. Not all of it. Some of it can. You must deal with it on a case-by-case basis. But when it's your time, whether you think positive thoughts or not, we all at one time will cross over to this wonderful place where I am. We just never know when that time is. Namaste, and blessings to each and every one of you. And remember, only love is real.